Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new Valorant tutorial video. And in this video, we will talk about how to make a Valorant Premier team. After opening Valorant, let's go to Premier tab. In here, there is a button called Create Team. We have to click it. And all the rules are written there. Just accept. Give your team a name. I'll just give it Team NBBD. And the tag will be NBBD as well. Now continue, select a logo for your team. It can be anything. Completely up to your preference. I'll just select a cute penguin because he looks cool. And now you can invite your teammates by clicking the invite teammate button. Just invite your friends and a team invitation will be directed to their account. When they log in, they'll find an invitation which they can accept and join your team. In the hub section, you can see your match schedule and your teammates on the right and left, your match history, as well as your standing in the division you're playing in. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.